has some Bitcoin there, maybe this is a good thing. Maybe I should come in right now at this time. Yeah. So when that excitement is being lifted, charged up, you start to tell your friends, hey, this Tesla is let's buy some Bitcoin. Yeah. So a lot of factors plays a part. Yeah. So as to how the price is going to move, of course, I hope it moves down so I can buy some. Yeah. So as far as what we see now, like I think Richard mentioned something about the price moving sideways, meaning you're just going just move like that. Yeah. So it is possible. But somehow, Richard, the last few times we are expecting it to move this way, right? And it moved this way. We don't know. Yeah.
If the prices, if you expect the price go down, we also have some of the alternative coin, because this article showed to us about here while the altcoin are dropping as the Bitcoin price is closer. Yes, if you don't have enough to buy one Bitcoin, we can buy altcoin. Yes, a lot of some of my friends, they invest in the altcoin, and they have the X3, X5 in the altcoin. And here's some reason why exactly this altcoin crash. There are two main reasons. Yeah. The first is Bitcoin price. When the Bitcoin price go up, of course, the Bitcoin price go up, it will move up the altcoin. But on the volume, most of the volume in the crypto markets, this will go into the Bitcoin first, and after that, it will go altcoin later. And secondly, Ethereum ETH is often lead the momentum of the altcoin.
Yeah.
Yes, and this day the Ethereum ETH is nearly reached 2,000. Yeah, it's make a lot of people feel excited about ETH. Yes, the ETH and BNB also one of the choice for the altcoin. Yeah, we all can see here. It is a chart comparison between the BTC USD versus ETH to BTC. Orange 1 hour chart candle. Yeah, it's all go up. It's hard to see this chart. Yeah. The source is from the trading view. If we make the combination of these two factors, and the Bitcoin will hit the resistance level at 50,000. Yeah, at the 50,000, we also expect it is, if it can break the resistance 50,000, it will go to the 55,000. After that, yeah, who know? But pseudomoney trader known as T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m predict the rally to 50,000 will arguably straightforward. Yeah, let's see how. I cannot hear you, Mr. Nicholas. You can turn on your mic.
Because just now the fighter plane was flying, so I mute my. Okay, because I think altcoin, like Richard's mentioned, altcoin is a good way for anyone out there who are a little bit more conservative. You don't want to see suddenly the price go up and go. So altcoin is a little bit slower. Like I think the chart showed the ETH USD and BTC USD. So it seems like each time the price of Bitcoin go really crazy high, ETH will still be, yeah. So that's where you can earn a lot, because when ETH, if it dips down, it creates that margin if you trade between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah. So of course, right now, you see that Bitcoin has from 20 over thousand now to 49, 48. Ethereum has been moving between 1002 and 1007, something around this margin. Yeah. So of course, like Richard mentioned, there are a lot of other altcoins out there that are that have price that are moving in tandem with either Bitcoin or Ethereum, or even at their own pace. Yeah, because of demand, because of their trading volume, because of the various different factors. Yeah. So yeah. So altcoins cost you less. Yeah, you don't have to pay $10,000 just for that 0.001 of that coin.
Yeah, that's right. And you also can have a chance to earn more on altcoin.
Yes.
Yeah, uh, that's why altcoin is also the good choice for some investor. But you need to do more research to find some of the good altcoin. Yeah, of course, you also can buy the Xeonbit or Xeonbit token on our some of our exchange, and in with the other altcoin, some of the newbie trader, they can jump into the top 10 or top 20 of the altcoin to know, and they need to know how the movement of the project. And uh, last last a few years ago, we see some of the altcoin, they uh, they they coming up with some of the news, but it's hard for us to trace the news, to know, to check the to check if the news is we can rely on this to attract more and more investor. Yeah, and it's we recently we see some of the altcoin, they move very fantastic, and some of the trader can earn really good. Uh, um, and come and let's see go through about this article to learn more about this. Yeah, Bitcoin is bullish for now, which helpful for altcoin, because when the markets go up, exciting, Bitcoin will go up first. After that, it's a time for altcoin. And when the altcoin go up, Bitcoin will go sideways, or it's go sideways. Yeah. And now it is the time Bitcoin goes sideways when it's nearly reached the 50,000 resistance level. And let's see, we see about the profits of the miner. Yeah. Because within 60 minutes, the miner can earn 4 million. Yeah. Now, and and let's see, according to the last note, in just under an hour, it's made a biggest our revenue in history is 4 million, because of the hash rate, because recently last time is the holiday, is the biggest holiday, is the Lunar New Year. One of the biggest holiday is the New Year. Mostly the Chinese community and Asian community, and at that time the hash rate is of the Bitcoin is go up, and then some of the miner get they uh, earn profits during the mining activity. And this chart, they say it's the Bitcoin miner pocket 4 million, only 60 million. Yeah, and why are they can get this profits? Why and how? And we see this article. We see the miner revenues here. It's at the big revenues. This week, Bitcoin miners generated the biggest hour revenues in history. It's by mining half of the Bitcoin they used to mine compared to last year. Oh, this so that will miner revenue continue to increase with the Bitcoin price? Blend B. Blend B is one of the pseudomorph Bitcoin research structure behind the popular price and say that Bitcoin on track to reach 288,000. Yeah, we also have some of the video on this channel. We also discuss a Bitcoin price. We reached 50,000 in 2021, 50,000 or 100,000. Yeah, and now we also can see one more figure is about on the track to reach 288,000. Yeah, and let's see how it's coming up. It's following up because the plan B they compare the price between the with the two S to FX because this is compare the price with the halving because this we see is the if 20,000 bull market follows 2017 then 100k is this if we follow 2013 it will hit 288 this chart as we see that this chart is we may see is compared with the every halving section and after each halving section we if we follow with the last year when the price go up it may hit 1000k and if we follow up with the chart it's around 2013 and the price expect it should be 288,000. Yeah, it's just the chart to compare.
I think, this portion of the article, I think if you are going to say that if the price hitting 100,000, I think that sounds more logical than using a 2013.
Yeah.
Because at 2017, it was just 1 year after halving, right? Yeah. So
Yeah.
2013, 2016 was the halving, and 2012 was the halving. So they both were 1 year after the halving. But the thing is that in 2013, it's like there are so many people who do not know about Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Whereas in 2017, there are a lot more people who already know about Bitcoin and are already expecting a little bit more from the Bitcoin market or the Bitcoin pool. Yeah, so I think 100,000 sounds more sensible, right?
Yeah, 100,000.
Yeah, of course, hopefully it doesn't.
Yeah.
But for all view investors, there's a good news there because if the price of Bitcoin today, now let's put it this way, today the price is here, and then suddenly it moves up. Now it's not 40,000, right? 40, okay, let's say it's 50,000. So suddenly it moved up to 100,000. And then the thing is, only the whales will be playing.
Yeah, that's right.
You and I and a lot of commoners and peasants. All right. So you will be looking at altcoin more than looking at Bitcoin. So it is a good news for altcoins and a lot of other good altcoins out there. Of course, I'm not saying all the altcoins. Just go for the better ones, the good one, and more stable ones, and you'll be able to make some money out of it because they cost less. That's for sure. Because if the Bitcoin price is so high, you would a lot of investors, a lot of crypto enthusiasts, they would definitely include a bigger basket of altcoin into their investment portfolio.
Yeah, that's right. Just now the chart they say if in the bull market because they just expect like in the history, like 2017, the the price around 5,000 to no, it's around from 500 to 20,000, right? Is it from
2017, the price moved from about 4 to 5,000 up to
yeah
20.
yeah it means that it's go 4 times, but in 2013 the price is moved from 200 to 1,000. It's mean no not 200. The price moved from $30 to 1,000. It's mean yeah yeah. It's mean they compare with the history when the price will move, and they expect because after the halving after the halving event, the price will change because the new investor jump into the market, and new finance institution they jump in. They learn more. Like this day, like today, this day, we this today we see the one month. Okay, Mr. Nicholas. Yeah,
I'm back.
yeah. Yeah, and then it's hit the price. Yeah, and let's go to the next article I found this early morning is about in the crypto market. The article is why the crypto needs to build an Amazon of its own, because a lot of people thinking about the Bitcoin price go up, go down. They learn uh, they they try to get the profits to buy low and sell high, but don't know that cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and all the altcoin, they need an Amazon of its own, because the investor, the new buyer, they will think that if I keep the cryptocurrency, I keep the last one, what for? Yeah, for what? And we need to think about, oh, I can use to go shopping, to buy some stuff, to do something, to do the other thing, to make a payment online, to purchase online. That is the main purpose of the crypto.
Yeah.
Yeah. And with the cryptocurrency following up with the main purpose of the crypto, we see a lot of projects they come out with the NFT token. They uh, they show everyone, some of the artists, the artist, the musician, and they uh, they 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 try to do their artwork in digital, and they sell its NFT token. Later, I will show you some of the article is about the artist. He's showing his artwork is around 20,000, and we see another news is about let's go dig deeper in the why the crypto world needs to build an Amazon of its own. Yes, the answer is blockchain, but loss is need the blockchains, and counting on the blockchain, a lot of blockchain project they jump in, and here's a faster result to reduce the cost. Yes, that's right. This need to reduce the cost, and it's also they say about the voting system is this article show the use case in the crypto, in the blockchains. Yeah, in the election, in the to reduce the cost of the election, presidential election in Chile, Peru, Nicaragua, some of the country they want to make a fair for people, yeah, to launch it up, because believe okay this article is look nice, is let us know, but I don't know why the loading need to build here. Here's a ban article, financial freedom. Don't ban on that. Yeah, the reason is the alternative. Yeah, that's right. With the DeFi. Yeah, that is the reason DeFi City Home. Yeah, some of this article is good. It's a white paper. Some of our audience, the people still hear a lot about the white paper of the Satoshi Nakamoto. Yeah, I also have a look on this, but a lot of that means some of the thing we still don't know, right? And it's
I believe there are a lot of things written there that is a little bit confusing for people, but
yeah,
general idea is that he whoever he is,
e-commerce.
he wants it to enhance how e-commerce is being enhance the payments, the way people pay, the way people receive payments in the e-commerce platforms, in the e-commerce industry. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. And then that's the that's the that's the reason why crypto has been born. I remember on 2005, 2005 I yeah, two,
2005.
yeah 2005 I saw one of the video. The article is about it's a Zegis. You may can hear Zegis. It's a
It's a cheap media.
yeah. Yes, yes, yeah. This one,
It's all right.
Zegis, yeah, Zegis, yeah. You also can try and watch the movie of the Zegis 2000. This one is 2007.
I think you shared with me this movie before.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I remember in the end of the movie it says the solution for to solve some of the chaos this day is the digital currency. Don't rely on one centralized entity. Yeah, that's after 2007. I hear about some of the Bitcoin project, but at that time we still it's still new project and we don't know yet. And until 20, 2014, we dig deeper in the crypto and we learn this thing. Oh, it's really new work for us. Yeah, it's not too late to learn anything. So we
Yeah.
just you learn and we just know more about this and with the reason why the crypto work need to build an Amazon of its own. That is the reason why the Satoshi Nakamoto he released the white paper for Bitcoin.
Yeah. So this Zajis movie that you're
Yeah,
talking, they were talking about there's a need for digital currency and things like that. Yeah. So I've not watched the movie, so I probably need to read the review or something. Yeah, but
yeah,
the thing is that some of you may be thinking, wow, we already have paper dollar note. We already have this. That. Why do we actually need digital currency? What for? That kind of thing. Just backtrack our mind a little bit. Yeah. So before we have paper note, what were people using? People were using gold. They were using
yeah,
silver.
yeah,
Uh, then I believe the first paper note came from China. I mean, China started using.
yeah,
They probably done the first one in about AD 100 or some
yeah,
1100. So the thing is, hey, I need to if I need to transport a large amount of money, which is gold at the time, gold is like, okay, let's say a small piece of gold that is a size of this, it is probably 2 kg.
Yeah, that's right.
So so the density of gold is like 19 gram per cm cube. Yeah, so that is 20 times. Let's say this water bottle is 500 for 5 half a kilo,
Yeah,
and then a gold of this size is 20 times the weight of this thing. So to transport a large amount of money or gold at the time, you need a horse cart. You don't have cars, you don't have lorries, you don't have train at the time. Yeah, you need horse cart. You need, because it's very troublesome, and then it costs a lot to transport something, especially money. Yeah, so those banks around that era, they start to say, oh, let's come up with this paper money, and they began with this receipt. It's a receipt for you to redeem your gold. So the banks hold the gold. The bank put the gold in their vault, and then they give you a receipt and say, okay, you have deposit $50,000 worth of gold with me. So this is a receipt. Anytime you want to redeem your gold, you bring this to me, and I can give you $50,000 worth of gold. Yeah, so that's how paper money started. Of course, it looks ugly. It's like a lot of writings on the paper, and then there's a stamp, there's a whatever signature. Yeah, so today our legal tender is the same thing. Is somebody's head, and then there is a serial number, and then there's a how much money is worth, and then there's a signature of maybe the chairman of the central bank or something. Yeah, so that you use it as money. Of course, over time, gold standard disappeared. It used to be the dollar is backed by the gold. You have this gold, you have this receipt, you can redeem this much of gold. But over the time, the percentage of gold tagged to the paper money decreased, and today, I think any paper money you picked up in the street, even if it is backed by gold, it's probably backed by maybe 4% to 10% of gold. That's all. So that means a dollar note that is $1,000 is only maybe worth $10 of gold. Yeah. So technically it doesn't worth much, but US dollar is not backed by gold at all already. Yeah. So since the 1960s, 70s, it began in 1930s, I think. They start to reduce the backing, and then in 1973, I think it was Richard Nixon or something, that president. Yeah, so is it someone else? I don't know. Yeah, they decided to break away the dollar note and gold. So it's not backed by gold. So it's only backed by the promise of the government. And the government says that this paper is worth $1,000, and it is worth $1,000. But today, if my government crash, this dollar is worth nothing. Yeah. So a good example to look at is that 2016. You look at very famous Venezuela. The whole world knows about them. The whole world knows that their currency have inflated to like what? To a point where people do not want to exchange their goods with gold, with their paper currency anymore. If you go to a petrol station to buy fuel for your car, the petrol station guy, they'll say, no, I don't want our currency paper money. I want, maybe you have some food or something you give me, I exchange. So it became back to the old days where they barter trade. So of course, along the way, I think, I'm not sure what currency they use now. Maybe you guys can Google about it. They probably use another currency, or they have. I think they introduced a new currency that minus all the zeros. I'm not too sure. I have to read it again. Yeah. So typically, if the currency become too inflated, they'll just so if the currency is not backed by gold, there's a high chance that a 50% chance that this currency may become worthless someday. Yeah. So uh, uh, maybe as a listener, you'll be thinking, oh, from gold to paper currency to now since the 1950s, we have credit cards, we have we go to shop, we pay with our card, and then after that we start to pay over the internet, and now we start to pay using our phone. Yeah. So it's never changing, it has never stopped changing, it's never stopped improving. So the next step is what? Like the intention of Satoshi Nakamoto. Yeah.
Nakamoto.
Yeah. So according to the intention of this mysterious guy, so we, instead of just using our phone to transfer money from bank to bank, or bank to your account, my account to your account, um, make it digital, make a cryptocurrency. Yeah. So this cryptocurrency is not based on your bank's system or whatever. It's based on decentralized crypto blockchain. Yeah. Blockchain technology. Yeah. So things has advanced from switching paper with gold, switching gold with paper, and then to today, you know in the last 60, 70 years, we've seen a very fast, very quick changes. Like even from money, you have to queue at the bank to collect your own cash, right?
Yeah, that's
From
right.
cash to credit card to transferring from bank account to bank account using internet. Internet is only have become popular only in the mid 90s. Yes, I remember, bro. When you have to load one page of picture, it takes like 1 hour to load a page. Yeah, so that was those time we suffered, a lot of people. we, yeah, so from that time until now we are using internet to transfer money, and then we are using mobile app. We uses internet data to transfer money, and then cryptocurrency. Yeah. So what is the next step then? Yeah. That's why the couple of articles that Richard has went through here.
I saw you.
Yeah, it is basically putting ourselves forward for the future of how we do transaction, how we spend money. Yeah.
Okay. I can hear the echo from my voice. I think from your side had a speaker and I can hear the echo.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That means my speaker is powerful. My
Yeah.
mic is powerful.
Yeah.
Can you hear
That's
it now?
right. Okay. That's.
Ah,
I also can hear that. Can see that. Or you have to
can you hear yourself now?
now
Is there
now
echo again?
now it's okay now. Now it's good now. Okay.
Right.
And I found the article is about Ethereum fundamental signal 2000 price slowly swing. Yeah.
Mm.
And it's so the articles they have some charts to see the transaction fee of the Ethereum. This day the transaction fee is a little bit high, and the value of the Ethereum is on the uptrend. A lot of my friends they also expect in the ETS, yeah, and they're waiting for it go down a little bit. Uh, let's see how the price of ETS now is 1777. Yeah, it's a nice number now.
Ah,
Uh,
sounds like a flight number.
yeah, it's a nice number. Yeah, and then this they say that the exchange they got this is the block and transaction. They compare the price with the exchange reserve in of the ETS because ETS is ETS 2.0 is the is the is the platform for people they can lock their ETS, they earn interest. And this article show reserve, exchange reserve is down and the price go up. It means a lot of people they buy the ETS and they withdraw, they send to the ETS 2.0 to lock their ETS to earn more interest.
Right.
Yeah, I also can see the article on the ETS 2.0. They say you can register as the not I forgot at the this means you do the validator not become the validator not to earn the to earn your your fee. Yeah, this is supply the minimum to be the validator not is 737 the stack ETS. Yeah, Ethereum validator. You can start stacking it and you get the reward within 2 years. You need 32 ETS to become the full validator and so for to join the stack. Yeah.
Wow. How much is 32 ETH? That's
It's
about
around 50,000.
50,000. Yeah.
50,000 USD. And they say you also can do the stacking with less than 32 ETH. When you do the stacking, you cannot withdraw. And it say that your stacking will stay there 2 years. However, you earn a lot of reward from this, and you need to this thing you need the server because when you do the full validator, you need to be online on the stacking pool 24 hours because you will be banned in. This means they will have some rule to this more validator, more security. Yeah, this one. Because if you do the stacking, you earn the transaction fee and you contribute for the network is better and better. Now, Blue set managed by the Bitcoin chains do all of this, and you can do the stacking. You earn some fee. You earn some. Yeah, you try if you have some if you know something weak, you can learn and step by step the stacking on this Ethereum, and you can earn a profit. It's look like the mining. If you don't have money, you can do mining the same. Do the stacking on ETH 2.0. Yeah.
Yep.
And let's see the article liquidity of the liquidity, what we call ETH price correct sharply overnight, 11 times. This article shared to us about this is a market analyst. It's about the price of the Bitcoin and USD. This 48,000, 49. Oh, this yeah. You see this chart 15 minutes supply change on the trading view. Later we will go to the trading view. We see more about this. We see about 1.9 billion position limited. Binance, Huobi, Bybit, OKX, BitMEX, Bitfinex. Yeah, total liquidation is 1.9 billion. Yeah, when the Bitcoin dropped below 48,000. Factor behind the short-term price drop. this analyst why is recovery, why the price drop. Yeah, it's have more and more detail. You can dig in, you find more information about this. You know that this morning I think this morning we digest, we receive a lot of article, a lot of news in the crypto, and then let me go to decrypt one of my favorite side with the news and information in the cryptocurrency. Yeah, we see all the news more. This new. Oh, they don't have a new here. I think this one. I think I have blocked some of the information of this science. Then we cannot see. If okay, never mind. We go to here. This podcast. No news. Oh. I have blocked some of the information, and then let me unbox. Let me try to see. Yeah. Editor, they say industrial Bitcoin tech routine Mastercard support. Oh, this article is really nice. When a Mastercard they says they support the cryptocurrency payment 2020. Must Bitcoin. Yeah. It's also nice article. Because Master and Visa is a key player in the world traditional payment, and let's see article about this. I cannot go.
Somehow some article can't go on that mode.
Yeah. Let's see. Masterclass.
For the live, bro?
Yeah. It's 40 minutes. Let me see. Let me check the live stream now, because now we do the live stream on 4 platform on the Twitter, Live at Twitch and YouTube. Let me go to show the audience about Twitter. We are still live stream on Twitter. It's live on Twitter now. This is Twitter last time. We have a lot of view on this, and next is D-Live. Let's check if the D-Live still here. Yeah, on D-Live here. Oh, the stream is still running. It's very. We are.
Sometimes the live the system will promise, oh, your life is being cut off.
Yeah, because last time the stream signal is not good, and we got the interruption, and now it's the time for us to complete the live stream for today, and we hope to have another live stream in next time with all of you. By the way, it's Chinese New Year has just passed, and last year we received
we are still in Chinese New Year technically. There's 15 days.
Yeah, 15 days. Yeah, it's a fifth day of the Chinese New Year, but in Singapore we have only 2 holidays.
Yeah, in terms of public holidays in Singapore, 2 days. First 2 days are public holidays.
Yeah.
So for the children, they are going to school. Because the second day fell on a Saturday. So Monday was the day that they have off from school. So yesterday you see a lot of kids out in the street.
Yeah.
So I think, if I'm not wrong, in China it's like 2 weeks holiday or something.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. But in some other country they have the long holidays around 1 or 2 weeks. But in Singapore, because one year we have four New Years. Yeah, it's correct. That's the New Year of the Malay, the New Year of Muslim, Hindu.
First of all, we have the 1st of January. Then we have Lunar New Year for mostly the Chinese or the Chinese Asians. Then we have Hari Raya. Something. That's for the
Deepavali.
Malays. And then Deepavali is more like a light festival, right? Is that a New Year for that? I'm not too sure.
But it's nearly similar with the Hindu New Year.
But that's a good thing about a multiracial society that we live in.
Yeah, that's right. That's why some of my friends ask me.
Enjoy holiday too. You enjoy holiday, I get to enjoy holiday too.
I hope you also enjoy the holiday, and we also have some of the, because if we keep making some article, there's a lot of information, a lot of article for our audience. So we need to say goodbye to our audience on our Monday channel, on Twitter, on the weeks on the live, and on YouTube service channel, and hope to see you in the next live stream. Mr. Nicholas, you can say.
Okay, thank you for joining us. We'll see you very soon again, and do have a good day. Trade carefully, and read up more, and help yourself by reading up more. Okay, take care everyone. Bye.